Welcome back to Rich for Purpose. Real quick, wanted to throw this one out there for you guys. Trivago, ticker symbol TRVG. I seen this one blowing up on Reddit and social media, so I decided to start a position. I got 170 shares at $2.93. I got 4 $2.50 calls at $53 each, and then I got 10 $5 calls at $8 a piece. Right now, the $5 calls are about $38. The $2.50 calls are about $100 a piece. And Trivago is at $3.36. If this is the new meme stock or what Reddit stock blowing up, this could do a nice little run. But remember what we learned from GameStop and all the other ones that did this run, they don't hold up too good. So make sure you take your profits if you get in on this play. This is not a stock recommendation or investment advice. This is just what I'm doing. I plan on taking my profits and at least making these plays free right when I finish this video. But other than that, click the link in the description if you guys want to join my Patreon and see the plays I make as I make them. And other than that, God bless you guys, and I will see you for the next one.